factory builds we've got, some of the options and things available to you. So we'll start having a look at the green car. All bespoke paint, so paint options, got the stripes, different headlamp rims and bowls. There's paint on the bottom as well. We've then got the daytime running lights. This particular car's got the 2.5 litre Duratec with 5-speed Mazda, box 200 horsepower, full 4 2-into-1 stainless, 2.5 inch pipe. Customer on this one's gone with the carbon dash. We've got the Smith instruments with black bezel, black face. We've got the start button and also the aluminium stalks. We've then got the carbon side trims, carbon crescents and the carbon stone guards. Really set the car off, finishing quite nice. Then look at the seat belts. We've got the aircraft type seat belts. So to give you the individual buckles, make it a lot easier getting in and out of the car, especially in the winter and that when you've got big jackets on and things. Got our GBS seats in. Again, you can bespoke the stitch in and the pipe in, depending on what you want. We've also got the option of having a heated seat, and that's got 2 settings on it of temperature. We've got the Momo steering wheel with a quick release boss. So your Momo steering wheel, quick release boss, nice feature that we've got on the boss. So you can put the steering wheel on in the wrong position, spin it around and it'll lock, so it's always in the correct place. Drive. The diffuser on the back helps quite a lot on the aerodynamics just to drag down quite a bit. Gen 2 with the fully welded rear panel, so full alley rear panel. The last factory built Zetec cars, so put 2 litre Zetec on throttle bodies. This is a GT, so the GT is our wide body option. It gives you 40mm each side in the cockpit, just gives you a bit more room, and that comes all the way down into the footwell as well. Full bespoke paintwork on this, little details done, so all the black fittings, just so there's no actual stainless or chrome on the car. Again, we've got the aluminium stalks, Momo. The customer on this one chose to have a vinyl dash and a slightly different configuration of clocks. And then we've gone with the GRP seats, a little bit more suited to track days and racing, but still reasonably comfy on the road. And got the addition of the diagonal roll bar, what we can do. A couple of nice bits again, got all the carbon fibre trims, carbon stone guard, that's a full wraparound stone guard. Even done the valve caps anodised to match the rest of the parts on the car, as well the new bolts for the seat belts, all IVA friendly with the correct radius on, just saves having a nut cover. Our demonstrator, this is very similar to the green car, it's got our own billet alley ATR front hubs on it, saving about 5 kilos a corner, 4 pop weights on. Got all the wheel speed sensor in, ready for your traction launch control should you want to use it. Again, full bespoke paint, got the carbon trims, slightly different interior on this one though. Instead of going with the more common Smith instruments, we've gone with the Ames dash. So it's a full colour digital display that you can configure yourself. There's about 5 different screen options, and you can choose what it displays. You can link that to your GoPro camera. It's quite nice, especially if you're going to do a lot of track days. It's quite cool that you can have all the telemetry in that overlaying your video footage, so you can see who's actually going the quickest.